Top 10 Shoe Store in Omaha. 1. 4brimz Sneakers and Snacks, 516 reviews, Leavenworth St STE C. 2. Brown's Shoe Fit Company, 4.9 172 reviews, Dodge Street. 3. Fleet Feet Omaha-Aksarben, 4.9 94 reviews, Mercy Road Suite 105. 4. Peak Performance The Running Store, 4.8 315 reviews, North 78th Street. 5. Tradehome Shoes, 4.8 57 reviews, Davenport Street. 6. Tradehome Shoes, 4.8 40 reviews, California St Space 3641. 7. Haney Shoes, 4.7 488 reviews, Maple Street. 8. Scheels, 4.6 2134 reviews, Davenport Street. 9. Rudolph's Run Walk Shoes, 4.6 142 reviews, South 140th Street. 10. Haney Shoes Work, 4.6 48 reviews, South 108th Street.